cover a basic WordPress installation using cPanel. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to wordpress.org and download the latest version of WordPress. Once we've downloaded it, we go back to our cPanel, and we're going to do everything through cPanel. We're going to go to the public HTML folder, and we're going to upload our WordPress files that we just downloaded. Once it's done uploading, it'll show us a little confirmation message. And then we go back to public HTML. We're going to extract the folder. Let's enter into the new WordPress directory. Select all, and we're going to drag it over to public HTML. And then we'll go ahead and delete that WordPress folder because we don't need it anymore. Alright, so we've got all the files in place. Now we're going to navigate to our site that we're looking to install WordPress. Continue. Alright. We need to create a MySQL database. We're going to go to MySQL databases in cPanel. And we can name the database anything. It's entirely up to your discretion. If you manage multiple websites, you're going to want to name it something to make it a little bit easier to quickly identify which database belongs to which website. Alright, so we'll create our database. And now we have to create a user for the database. And we'll just go ahead and generate a password here, copy it, and hit create user. And then the last step is adding the user to the database. So we scroll all the way down to the bottom, take the user, take the database, hit add, all privileges, make changes. So we've added our user to the database. Now we'll go back to our WordPress installation. And enter in all our credentials. Hit submit. There was no errors, so it's ready to install. And we'll go ahead and enter in the site title. This username is going to be the base administrator username for this WordPress installation. And we've got our password. So we copy it and enter in our email address. And we can check here whether or not we want to allow search engines to index this new site. And we hit install WordPress. And that's all there is to it. Now we can log in using those new credentials.